I tried a few other things after high school that didn't work out, and I found a certificate program in manufacturing machinery, basically like a CNC course, and I took that certificate and eventually got a job in manufacturing.
So I started here in 2018, and I did not have a completed degree. So knowing that the Lee company pays for tuition, I decided to go back to school and earn my degree. So they paid for my education, which was really big for me.
So when I started in 2006, I was an engineering lab tech, and I went to school at Three Rivers for an associate's degree. I used Lee Company tuition reimbursement for that. And then in 2016, I decided to go back to school for a bachelor's degree. So I enrolled at the University of New Haven for the mechanical engineering program.
So I've taken advantage of the tuition program by going back to school at nights. I've been doing that for the past 6 years for a manufacturing engineering associate's degree. I went back to school because I have an interest in learning more about manufacturing in all the different areas, and I want to continue to grow with the company.
The reason I went back to school because I was really encouraged by my supervisors. They really wanted to see me finish my education to move forward in the company. So it's definitely something that they wanted me to push forward and get through as far as getting a 4-year degree.
Ultimately, I wanted to because I wanted to learn more. It's one of the reasons why I came to this company, because I wanted to learn and see more. And an education could take me more places here.
And that also helped me move up in this company as well. So I started in assembly, and then I moved to the stock room, and now I made my way into planning, which I love.